live streaming starting now. So it is adapter circuit. So I working the circuit. At first I full system measuring. Please share and listen to me. This is bridge rectifier. It is 4 terminals bridge rectifier, and this is inductor chopper, and it is fuse resistor, just 1 ohms or 2 ohms resistor, but it working fuse. So it is capacitor 400 volt 10 microfarad capacitor, 22 microfarad capacitor, 400 volt and 22 capacitor, and it is picofarad capacitors. Value is 472, and here one IC CHC 7203 IC. It is output given the chopper, then output voltage is high, 12 volt. Okay. Now I discuss on this is resistor, and it is varistor, it is diode, and it is optocoupler. It is 4-pin optocouplers, and this is chopper. Here one piece generator and resistor one piece, and here small resistor one piece. This is LED lamp, red color, only output signal, and here one piece DC capacitor. It is 16 volt 470 microfarad polarity capacitor, and here one piece diode, general diode. So I again review the all purses. This is bridge rectifier. It is 4-pin bridge rectifier. So 2 pins inputted AC voltage and 2 pin outputted DC voltage, positive 1 pin and negative 1 pins. After this is inductance, and here resistor, but it is used for fuse. It is 1 ohms or 2 ohms resistor, but used for fuse. Okay. So here one piece small capacitor. It is 10 microfarad 50 volt capacitor, and it is big capacitor. This capacitor value is 400 volt and 22 microfarad. Okay. This is resistor, and it is varistor. Behind the parts name is diode. So it is IC, and it is picofarad capacitor, and small it is optocoupler, 4-pin optocoupler. 2 pin input and 2 pin output, but never connection electrically input and output side. So input side is LED lamp, just open, and output side collector and emitter. When input side power provided 1.5 volt, then LED lamp is on and output collector to emitter resistance is 0 and collector to emitter voltage provides. Okay, this is chopper. When it's open, then chopper is working. And here one piece Zener diode, it is used for output voltage fixed. So if you don't use the Zener diode, then output voltage 12, 11, 13, 14, 15 paradise value showing the output side. Okay, so use for Zener diode fixed voltaging. And here one resistor and here is small resistor, and it is red color LED lamp for output signal. So it is DC polarity capacitor 16 volt 470 microfarad. So here one piece diode. Okay, this is 12 volt power supply. Now I fittings the power supply in this box, and this power supply problem is IC, so need to be replaced. I have not it IC, so I fittings the power supply. So this power supply is DC 12 volt 2 ampere. Now I often the power supply is work such as CC camera and another working. Okay, now I working DC voltage regulator. So many transistor and MOSFET parallel connections. When parallel connections, then the MOSFET is running. Okay, this is dear friend, this is magnetic conductor and overload. So we already working about and discussing about the magnetic conductor. I again discussing the magnetic conductors. Okay, so you and you use how to use magnetic conductor. So I will back to live very soon. Now I will discussing about magnetic conductors. Okay, so I talking to Bengali for magnetic conductor about discussing A to Z. So I'm back to very soon. Okay, goodbye.